Are you ready?
Look at this man. I want to get out in here.
Today, my honey is going to replace our faucet. She's a plumber today.
For the first time. He
First
teach me
time.
how to be independent if I'm alone. Right, dog?
It's been a long time since we made video.
Yeah. We just stay at
The
home.
internet's been crazy.
I don't understand about this. It's only have one, honey. Is it from this?
Yeah, that should be alright.
They don't need the lower part. Down one.
Oh, wait a minute. I got to get some tape.
Oh, the white stuff?
Mm.
Okay. Puppy, what's wrong?
What do you want? What you want, crazy dog? Our female dog's in heat, and the male dogs are going crazy. Princess. Hey, Buster. Hey, Buster boy. See, your girlfriend's in the cage. She's tired of you guys. You guys are always after the girl. She's in heat.
Daddy, where are you gonna put that tip?
Yeah, I could put tape.
There's part before I put in this one. Buster. Baby keep barking. I think one layer will be okay. Push. Nice.
Okay.
Wow. It's like nothing. Can you hold that one down? It's hard to ano. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so tight.
Yeah, because of the tape.
Oh my gosh, you won't fit, honey. That's very hard to turn.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Very hard. It's hurting my finger. My finger's getting red. It's very hard. So, yeah. I guess you can put that letter, honey, before.
You can't. There's no way to get your hand up in there. But I guess I put too much.
Yeah, I said one layer. I think you put 3 layers on it. Can't find it.
Yes. Try it like this. It's going on easy now.
Yeah, you need to make it first.
Must have had it in there crooked or something.
Puppy! Baby suffering from this boys.
good.
Is it easier now?
Mm-hmm.
Is it soft?
Must have had it cross-threaded or something. Okay,
Very tight.
you gonna try the other one now? Don't put that on until after you tighten it by hand, and then use that. That's just for after you get it screwed
Yeah,
in.
that's for the tight. But I need. Oops. Bro, baby. I make it into tight.
Is it tight already?
I can tell. We will try. Try it further. It's work. Ooh. No leak.
No leaking?
No leak. I don't
Turn
feel it.
it all the way up. Unscrew it all the way.
No leak. I guess it's so
I
tight.
guess you did it right.
Ooh, wow, very fast.
Magic
That's
moment.
a nice one. It's a faster. This is the fastest. Fastest.
That's because the other one's all clogged up, probably.
You should get another one, this one, and the other one's very slow. Like this. Oh my god, that's very fast. I
It's the
love
best it's
it.
ever been.
So far, this is the good one.
Well,
How much is it?
congratulations.
How much is it? Is it same price?
Less than 500.
Oh, that was cheaper. The other one, we said 400.
It's about $10.
No more.
Okay, so
I feel like it's got leak.
I guess that's a winner. You sure it's not leaking?
Oh no, there's a little bit. But it's not that bad.
No, it's
Not
not.
much.
I don't feel no leak.
Maybe because I was clean up earlier, my hands wet too. But I don't see dripping in there.
Okay.
It's very tight. I was cleaning up earlier, so the water from here goes down there.
Okay, so
What's up, bebe?
let's,
Do you still keep it this one?
yeah, I'll take care of it.
Open. Oh, we need to.
That's all.
Your wrap.
That needs to be washed too.
Yeah, I know. Papa.
Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.
You're gonna delete the other one, huh?